Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. So everyone, today I'm going to share how to enable a TPM 2.0 in your PC. So everyone, first of all, just I am open this PC health check. So everyone know, introducing Windows 11. If we want to install this Windows 11 in our PC, so we can check now. Look at there, here is a error message. TPM 2.0 is required for running Windows 11. We recommended that you check if TPM 2.0 is enabled. So how to enable this? So just go to run and write tpm.msc and click on OK. So look at there, compatible TPM cannot be found. So our TPM 2.0 is not enabled in this PC. So how to enable this? I am using MSI motherboard and just show you how to enable this. Just restart this. Click on delete button. So here is your BIOS option. Just click on advanced tab and click on setting and click on security button and click on trusted computing. Look at this is disable. Click on enable this and look at here is our FTPM AMD CPU. So we just click on F10 for save this setting. Look at security device support, disable or enable. Yes, you can enable this. And now restarting your computer. Start up my PC now. We will go to check again that our TPM is enabled or not. Let's go to run. Write down TPM MSC and click on OK. Hey guys, look at this. TPM management on local computer is enabled. So once again, Windows PC health check tools open and now click on check now. Okay. This PC can run Windows 11. So everyone, here is the total procedure how to enable TPM 2.0. If you like this, click the subscribe button and press the bell button for new update. Thank you. Thanks for stay with me. Take care. Talk with you in next video. Bye bye.